guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day look. You're just going to be getting ready with me while I show you guys how I'm going to do my makeup for Valentine's Day. This video is for my girls who do want to go full out glam, glitter, cut crease. So if you want to see how I'm going to do my makeup or what my picture looks like in my thumbnail, just keep on watching. So first off, before I do anything, I'm actually going to prep my skin with my Mario Badescu Chamomile and Lavender Spray. This is like my favorite of all three. There's a cucumber one, the rose water one, and then there's this one, and this one is my favorite. It smells so good. It is the most hydrating one out of all three of the facial sprays. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows really quick because I do want to start on my eye makeup since we are going like full glam. I don't want any of the fallout to get on my face or my foundation. That would be awful because then I'd have to start over. So for brows today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I'm in the color dark brown. Look at this pimple. Oh my god. It's been there for forever and it's not going away. It's stressing me out. But just an update on life. I graduated in December at OSU, go Pokes, and now I'm in Norman and I'm doing an internship at a physical therapy office. I feel like I haven't filmed in so long. I've just been like relaxing, like a lot of relaxing, working at my internship. It's just been like so busy that I haven't had time to film or edit, and I've been very lazy, to be honest. I haven't been wanting to do like anything, but I just used some of the Anastasia Duo highlighter. I'm really gonna carve out my brows. If I sound like I'm like whispering, it's because my roommates are here and I don't want to be like too loud, like screaming at my camera and making them like wonder like, who is she talking to? Like, she's talking to herself. What a weirdo. But yeah, if you can hear them in the background, that's who it is. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Just gonna use my fingers to rub it out. And then I have a pimple right here and two pimples right here. I don't know what is going on. So I primed my lids, and I'm actually not gonna set it with powder. I find that when I set it with powder, the color's not as vibrant. I'm gonna take the Smashbox Cover Shot Bold Palette. I'm gonna take this red eyeshadow right here, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm going to buff it into my crease. I'm blending it out as I go. I can't stand it when my eyeshadows aren't blended, so that's why like I'll sit here and blend for like hours. And you can see I'm intensifying the color. There's always one eye that looks better than the other, and so far it's like this one right now. It's stressing me out. I'm about to take this red color right here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to put that deeper into my crease just to create a lot of depth. I'm going to use this Morphe M433 brush. It's kind of flat, so it's going to get in there really nice. And you can see like how much this one deepened up after I added that red. I'm going to take my NARS number 7 brush. I'm going to put some concealer on it and then cut my crease. I'm just going to like cut it halfway. But you can see I only did half of it. I didn't do the whole thing. So now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go ahead and set it. I'll probably start with this color right here, this third one, and then see how I like it. And if I don't like it, I'll add and mix in some of the other colors. I really like this color, so I'm probably not going to add the other ones. But now that I did that, do you guys see how right here it's not really blended? Like it's half of the red and then like kind of goes into an awkward like stop with the glitter. I'm going to go back with that red from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, and I'm just going to put it on the outer corners and kind of just blend it, just so there's like a nice transition from the shimmer cut crease to the red. To finish it off, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Glam Rock, and I'm going to apply it all over the lid. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. I've never done a look like this before, but I really like it. And for my brow bone, I'm going to go into this palette again, and I'm going to put this into my brow bone. And you can see it kind of just lifts up my arch and like gives me like a really like nice boop. And I'm going to go ahead and pop some lashes on. The ones I'm going to use today are the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Farrah. Okay, so my lashes are on. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face again with this. And then once that dries, I'm going to put on my favorite primer right now. It's the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. It just makes like my makeup look perfect and like super smooth. I basically have a smooth surface to work with, and then it also keeps me pretty matte so I'm not oily throughout the day. And it's only like $5.99 at Ulta. Like, that's a steal, and it works better than like all of my other expensive primers. Since we're going for more of a glam look, I'll use the NARS. I'm in the color Stromboli, and I'm going to use my Morphe sponge. Guys, look at that coverage. This one is definitely more full coverage than the NARS Weightless. For concealer, I'm going to use my current favorite concealer, the Julep Cushion Complexion 5-in-1 Perfector. They actually sent me one. They sent me the color beige, which was like perfect for me in the summer when I was tan. But I'm like super pale now, so I'm using Buff. And it kind of has the texture of the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And this concealer is also good to use on its own with like no foundation. On my no makeup days, I'll use like a little bit of this and put my brows on and my glasses, and then I'm good to go. Like, look how good that looks. I like that it looks like skin. So like you can wear it on your own. Or on its own, I mean. Since we're going full out glam, I'm going to do a cream contour, and I'm going to use Soleil Tan de Chanel. I'm just using the side where I use concealer to buff out the bottom so it's not so harsh. So to set underneath my eyes, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation Powder. Carly Bible used this trick. She used the color Light for her under eyes, and it worked pretty well for her. So I'm only doing this a couple of times, so I don't know if I like it yet. We'll see how it sets though. So far it looks really good. And then all I'm gonna do is dust some bronzer over my cream bronzer. I'm gonna use the Clinique Sun-Kissed bronzer. I'm just using a really little bit, just setting the cream because I want it to last. Because you don't want your makeup to melt in the middle of a dinner. And I'm going to use this to contour my nose. Because the nose needs to be snatched too. One of my friends, Tina, she's like one of my best friends and she's really good at nose contouring. But for me, I'm not that good. I just do the 2 straight lines. I'm using the Anastasia blush kit. This is the Radiant one. I love this one. Especially this shade right here. It's my favorite right now. And it is called Terrence. And for highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's a Kilowatts in Mean Money and Hustle Baby. I kind of just mix both of them together and then put it on my face. It's been looking really nice on my skin. I forgot how good this highlight was. To finish off my brows, I'm just going to use my brow mascara. I forgot this the past weekend and my brows just weren't the same. I think the only thing I'm going to add to the bottom of my eyes is some eyeliner. And then I'm going to smudge it out with some of the dark red eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. I'm going to have to like get super close to do this, so I'll be right back. So the last thing I'm going to do are my lips. I'm going to line it with the Essence in the Nude Lip Liner and then pair it with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Driver. I think I'm going to add some of my favorite gloss. It's the Samantha gloss from Buxom. This look is just so like girly and glam that I think gloss just puts it all together. And since it is a glam look, we're going to be out all night with our dates, having fun, mingling, enjoying our time together. I am going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Night. Okay, so that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. And if you do create this look, please tag me. I would love to like it and comment it and see how you guys recreate my look. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!